Okay, I want to do voice meter settings. Let me bring this over here where you can see it. Okay, so we've got the first channel set to WDM. JFC said to leave with WDM. So that's set there. A1, B1, A1, B1 up here. And then I think same thing here. This is set to headphones. A2 is set to the SPDIF, which is the speakers. I still have to figure out how to make that switch. Let's see, was it menu? System designs. I'll just pull that up in case there's something I need to have set here. You can always pause it later. These pop up or populate as you fire them up. The other place I need to go is here. So that's voice meter input VAIO. That's the output. And then the input is the Elgato. And basically, these are all default. These settings will make it so that the default is those. So I don't even have to really mess around in that thing at all. So, sound control panel. I didn't have to do anything for that, but I'll just go in here and playback. Obviously, it's through the headphones. Although it doesn't look like it's doing anything there, but and then here you can obviously see that the Elgato is the main input for that. Let's see, sounds, do nothing. And then if we go properties, I just want to run through these to make sure that I have, a good idea of what each one is for future reference. Like I said in the video, I can always pause things. The only other thing I think I have is these settings. So this is what we have for default. And where are you at? Properties. So there's that. And then this one, that's set to default. And then advanced audio. Okay. And I didn't do an advanced audio for this one. And I think that's everything. This obviously is the Elgato mic, and then the other one is desktop audio. It's the whole stream coming from this, so it'll be all these things. So they're separate. And of course I have filters. The filter's set up in here. Let me go up just a little bit on this. He did have me switch it to this one so that I could use the slider. And I don't think I put a filter in this one. I don't think it no, I didn't. Didn't need anything. So I think that's actually about it. I just wanted to hit the different settings so that I can remember. I mean, obviously we checked these two. Run it startup and open it startup. I think that's it. I think that's everything. You can see the hardware outs. So yeah, I'm gonna call it here.